Hey, this is Anup. This is a quick tutorial. Automate deep LinkedIn post with Perplexity. So automate social media posts with deep content research using Perplexity and posting on LinkedIn can save creators time, maximize engagement and produce unique high value content. Welcome back creators. Today I am unveiling a cutting edge workflow creating research driven social media post complete with custom image and automatically publish them on LinkedIn using Perplexity AI. This method not only streamline your content production but transform your online presence and visibility. I have built AI automation for social media posts. Today we will be discussing how we can get the post idea from our Google Sheet and we will send the post idea to an AI agent with the deep research perplexity and using Google Gemini chat model we will create an prompt to generate the image and create that image via OpenAI and next we will save that image in our Google Drive and save the post in our Google Sheet and it will send an email to the user that your post is ready for published. Next, we used a auto posting method or a schedule trigger that will fetch the post those are ready to publish and it will pick up the first one that is ready to post and it will download the image from our Google Drive and it will publish the post on behalf of us and it will update the sheet that the post has been made without any human intervention. Now quickly I will go through my Google Sheet from where the title or the post idea will be fetched. This is my Google Sheet. Today we will be creating the post on AI plus automation, the perfect duo, scale your business. So now I have add some idea how our content will be generate or the what are the key points it will consider to create any content. So AI handles the thinking, pattern recognition, prediction and personalization and automation handle the doing repetitive tasks, workflow. Together they will remove bottlenecks without removing human touch. And next I will also give some another text, deep text that will take as an human input and according to that our AI agent create that post. And next you can see the title, output and the content and the image URL will be generated by our AI agent and it will update my status to ready to post. Now I will click on execute workflow. So I will click on execute workflow. Post idea has been fetched from Google Sheet and now our AI agent is generating the content with the help of Perplexity and next send the prompt to creating that image. After creation the image will be saved in our Google Drive. I will show you once the image is completed and next it will save the post in our Google Sheet and also it will send that email. Now our image generation is completed and it is now uploading in my Google Drive. Now also my post has been updated and I received an email. So now let's go back to our Google Sheet. We can see we have received the title and the output idea and our content. So tired of repeating tasks, discover how AI agents can reclaim your time. So you can see this is a quite good post and we received the image in my Google Drive. So if I click on that you can see my post. You can see this is my post image for LinkedIn that is saved the time and it is created by AI agent. Now going to our next part, that is the auto posting. Now we have used a schedule trigger node and once I click on this it will take the recent article and it will also download the image from my Google Drive and it will publish the post on LinkedIn on behalf of us and it will update the status, that is update the status to posted. Now I will just click on execute workflow. Now our post has been ready, it is downloading the image and it is publishing the post in my LinkedIn and now you can see the status has been updated to posted. That means our AI agent publish that post on behalf of us. Now it's time to go to my LinkedIn profile. So let's go to post and activity Yes, boom. You can see the AI agent is create that post and publish that post on behalf of me. You can see the same content, tired of repeating tasks, discover how AI agent reclaim your time. Imagine a work day where now if I just copy this and you can just search over here, you can see the post has been made in within a 1 minute. So our AI agent is, and also you can see the image is quite good for LinkedIn post, and it also create the tag for us and it post in our LinkedIn. You can post similarly in Facebook and Instagram, same like that. So now we will go through how you can build this type of AI agent and you can just automate your task so that you can spend your time and money in other places. So first you need to add a schedule trigger. You need just select schedule trigger node and it will, so I will just create the same thing over here. Now you need to just click Google Sheet and get rows in sheet. That means it will fetch the row you want to send to AI agent. So I will click this and from here you need to add your Google credential. For that, after your credential has been established and you will be able to view all those things. Now I will click on LinkedIn post and from here we need to took our sheet, that is the LinkedIn post with image. You can see my sheet name is LinkedIn post with image. Now say let's suppose I will put some another thing, how AI automation receive data, sales and customer service. If I will just now add these things here and I will just, for the demo purpose I will put same things. You need to just add the status pending so that our AI agent can fetch the data. So and you need to just add a filter, that means your status is pending. Now I will click on execute step and you can see this title will be fetched for creating the content. So now I will just click on execute step. You can see we have received the row, that is the row number 5. You can just validate from here, this is the row number 5, how AI automation is receiving data, sales and customer service. So now we are able to fetch the rows from here. Now you need to add a code node over here so that we can merge all the input from the previous node. Now for the time being I will just copy this thing, so I will put this code over here and you can see we have taken the input, that means, and after that we use a map function, that means we use a loop function to just add the number of rows ideas in a single row. So now I will click on execute workflow, execute step. You can see we already took all those things in a single context. So now I will add a AI agent. You just need to click on AI agent and you can have your AI agent ready. For the time being I will copy this one and I will paste this thing so that now now we will use our OpenAI, so that you need to just select OpenAI. For this you need to have your API credential and next we will add perplexity for deep research. So you can see just you need to create your credential and you have to have your perplexity account and API key to connect with perplexity. Now next you need to add a structure parser for output. You can see the structure output parser, that means how would you like to get the response. So now we will use an OpenAI, so that you can just click on OpenAI. Now also we will create a generate an image AI model so that we can send that request to OpenAI for creating that image. So you can see we have used the DALL-E 3 for creating the image. Next you need to have a Google Drive, so just click on Google Drive and you can see the Google Drive. We have so many of options. We will select update file node and update file operation and your operation will be upload. So you need to just select your drive and the folder where you need to upload the images. So for this is my folder name LinkedIn image, so it will upload the image on that folder. So now next node will be Google Sheet node, our operation will be update row in sheet because we have already the text, the name and the idea in our Google Sheet. We just need to update the row with the images and the output idea. So in this case, we need to just update the Google Sheet, and you need to select the from which document and from which sheet. So you can see after that you will have your all the option to update the Google Sheet. Now next node will be a Gmail trigger so that I can receive an email. For this you need to select send a message operation. So now I will put my email ID so that I can receive that email. So our first workflow is ready now. So I will go through the prompt, and now we need to just copy and paste so that we can have name, idea, title, text and image. So now I will click on idea generator. So I will click so that you can see we have this thing. So generate material for my next LinkedIn post. Here is the idea that we already used in that. It means this is the file name from where we are getting those input idea. So this is the prompt, and next this is my system message. So I will not go through line by line. You can just see you are an expert LinkedIn content creator with deep knowledge in AI automation. So you can just see and write the same type of prompt. You just need to go to any say ChatGPT or Gemini, and you need to ask to create this type of prompt, and AI will create this thing for you. So now I will click on execute step. We should receive our name, title and the content. So you can see we have received name, idea, title, text and image idea. So now I will just ping this one so that I can use in these things. So we need to add the prompt to create the image. So I will quickly copy the prompt and I will just paste here. So you can just paste these things so that so this is the image idea that we took from, or that we received from our idea generator, and we need to just pass these things to our AI agent. After that it will like upload these things and update our Google Sheet. So quickly I will just click on execute step. It will take 10 to 15 seconds to create the image. You can use a Google Nano Banana also for creating this type of images. You can see we have generated the image. Now you can just see how relevant our image is, and it is created by AI agent via OpenAI. So next we just need to click the image and upload this thing. So I just click on execute workflow and our image will be uploaded in my Google Drive. You can see this is done, and the photo link is this, and this is the photo link. We need to just update the Google Sheet now. So we will just update title, output, content and image. First I will just delete those nodes. So title, you have your title, so just drag this title on here, and next output idea, that means this, and this is the content, and the image URL will be your web content link. So this is the web content link. You can just drag these things, and status you can just update ready to post. Here you can see the column to use when match the rows Google Sheet, usually the Google Node ID. I will go with row number. So we have the row number dynamically. You just need to drag the row number to the row number so that it can match, and it will update with name, title, output ideas, content. Name, I don't think we need to update the name. No, sorry. So we need to just delete the node name. So it will just update title, output, content and image and the status. So I will just click execute step, and you can see our workflow is working, and we just update the content that is feeling overhead by repeating tasks. You are not alone. Today AI agent is revolutionizing how we work by automating the so blah blah blah. So you can just read this thing and you can just see our we have update the link, also the image link in our Google Sheet, and now our status is updated to ready to post. And now you need to just create another workflow like the auto posting schedule. And I will quickly, okay, so we forgot the last node, so you can just add the subject over here and you can just write your post is ready, and you can just hit execute execute step, and you should receive an email. Yes, we have received that email that stop wasting time, let the AI agent handle repeating tasks for you. So we have received that email that our post is ready. So now we will create a posting mechanism, that is a schedule trigger, or just I will go with Google Sheet first. Now the operation will be the get rows in the sheet, and that's it. And you need to just select the same thing, LinkedIn post, and from which sheet, and you need to just add a filter. So you need to just column status, and you need to just copy the ready to post and put here get fetch that the final record. You can see this is our title, stop wasting time, let AI agent handles the repetitive task for you. This is the output idea, content, email, image, and the status. So now we will have our, so I will just detach this thing and create a new workflow here. Now you need to add limit, that means how many content you want to post in one. So I will just keep it one for now. Next we need to add download image, so we need to just Google Drive, you need to just select Google Drive, and the operation will be download a file. So we need to just, we can have two options, that is the URL and ID. So I will go with ID as of now. So if you just click on this, you will have this. So just you need to click the image here. So you can see your image file is ready for download. Next will be publish the post. So you, for this you need to just LinkedIn, you need to add a LinkedIn account and create a post, and you should have your LinkedIn account added to this N8N. And to create this, you need to just go to your LinkedIn account and type developer.linkedin.com. After that you need to click create app application, and there you need to just create your page first. So you need to create an app first. For this I have created a app, that is the N8 testing. So I will show you. You need to create your LinkedIn app and get the client ID and the client secret to connect your LinkedIn account within the N8N. So after that I have this thing, so we need to just select this thing. So you just need to select post as person. Next you need to select the media category as data, that means the binary data, and the text, that means whatever the content we received from our Google Sheet. This is our publish post, and then Google Sheet for updating. Now this will be an update row, so we just need to select again LinkedIn post, and now it will fetch. So you don't need to do anything, you just want to update the status that this is published. So that's it. Update these things with the row number. So you just need to drag the row number from here, and it should work right now. And I will click on execute step. Yes, the status is updated to publish. You can see our post is updated to publish, and now it's time to check my LinkedIn profile to check whether my post has been published or not. So just click on this, and I will just hit enter, and boom, this is really good. And you can see this is just 2 minutes, and the impression just I just got 2 impression. This is very low, but within 1 minute it get 2 impression. So that's it for today's video, and if you like my video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And if you need any help or any assistant to creating this type of AI workflow, please let me know. I will definitely help you. So thank you guys. Have a nice day. See you on the next video. Bye bye.